LS Series lift tables from Southworth Products are high-quality industrial-grade hydraulic lift tables used in a wide variety of manufacturing, assembly, and repair applications. Over 25 base models are available, and with options and accessories, over 1 million lifts can be configured. Standard units are available in 2, 4, and 6,000 pound capacities, with higher capacities up to 12,000 pounds available. Lifting heights range from 30 inches to 56 inches, with platform sizes that range from 24 inches by 36 inches up to 60 inches by 156 inches. To ensure a long, trouble-free service life, LS Series lifts are equipped with low-pressure, oversized hydraulic cylinders and chrome-plated piston rods to resist rust and corrosion. Heavy-duty hydraulic hoses are designed to withstand 6 times the system's operating pressure without bursting. A transparent hydraulic return line indicates if cylinders need to be repacked and prevents spillage even in the event of a bypass. The LS Series' unique contoured scissor legs, along with the arrangement of the motor, hydraulic reservoir, and electrical controls, combine to allow for low collapsed height. 2 hinged maintenance chocks flip easily into the lift's base frame to prevent it from lowering during routine maintenance operations. Users can choose foot switch control or a hand control pendant at the time of purchase. Either is standard. LS Series lifts can be custom configured with a wide variety of options and accessories, including Comfort Edge contoured platform edge with high visibility yellow stripe and corners, toe protection devices, including fiber optic sensors, photo cells, bevel toe guards, and even steel safety skirting. Conveyor tops, pneumatic ball transfer tops, platform mounted turntables, flush mount turntables, portability options including semi-live with skid spotter or 4 casters, tilting platforms, bellows skirting, and custom finishes, including special colors, 2-part epoxies, zinc coatings, hot-dipped galvanizing, and even stainless steel construction. Some typical uses for LS Series lifts include feeding metal sheets at punches, presses, and brakes, panel feeding in cabinet making and other woodworking applications, loading and unloading pallets, grinding and other finishing applications, feeding drill presses and CNC machines, electrical assembly, furniture making, printing and graphic arts, and even worker access platforms. For more information on LS Series lifts or any of our products designed to make work faster, safer, and easier, give us a call or visit our website.